Okay, Pete, we're going to go through the chart now.
Okay.
One of the sayings about boating in Pine Island Sound is, if you haven't run aground, you have not boated in Pine Island Sound.
Gotcha.
So, we do not want that to happen. There are plenty of places to run aground in Pine Island Sound. So, we're going to give you some very specific instructions, and please pay very good attention to what we're doing, because we don't want you running aground today. Okay? So we are right here, Pete, and that's this marina. That's this marina right out here. And you're going to go out of the marina, and there's going to be 3 signs. When you're leaving, there's going to be 3 red signs on your left, and there's going to be 3 green signs on your right. I believe it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now, you see this 2 out here? This 2 is going to be a big identifying point of where you're going to take a left. But that is not the first 2 you see. When you leave the marina, you're going to see 1, 2, and 3. Do not take a left at that first 2. That was going to put you on ground within 5 minutes of your rental. So you're going to go out past 1, 2, and 3. You're going to look out straight ahead. You're going to see another red marker and another green marker. Go for those red and green markers. On the way out, again, the red marker is going to be on your left-hand side. You'll also see a square sign. That's a very identifiable mark that you'll see this square sign. Go for that square sign. When you're looking to go from one red marker to the next red marker, pay attention and do not go out way to the left or way to the right of one of those markers. Go towards the markers. You're going to go straight out. You're going to get out to your number 2 marker. When you get out to your number 2 marker, now you've gotten into pretty good water. There's a couple things you can do here. We can go straight out to the intercoastal, which is going to take you to your Cabbage Key area, or you can take a left at that marker, go almost due north. You'll pick up a whole nother set of markers, a whole nother channel, which will bring you into the north end of Captiva. So I know you wanted to go out to the beach right now. It's a beautiful day in the Gulf. You're going to go out here. You're going to take a left at that 2, pick up this channel. It looks like it starts out at channel number 21 on the green. So on all these markers, you see green 21, green 19, 17, 15, etc. Red 18, 16, 14, 12. You've had plenty of experience. You know what's going on here. Oh, you don't have that much experience with reading markers? Did you see the correlation? The green are going to be odd numbers. The red are going to be even numbers. Okay. Now this is what's really tricky. When you get up to this channel, a lot of people thinking, oh, it's red, white, return, red, right, turn, red, right, and turn. It is, but this channel is red, right, turn from this Gulf. So when you come up here and you're leaving the marina, you're leaving, and these markers are going to be in your on their left-hand side. Go to 2, and then the red markers will continue being on your left-hand side, going out to the Gulf. To go out to the Gulf, be careful on the Gulf. That sand shifts. Okay, if you see ripples, okay, from the water coming across there, it's a good indicator that it's low. Okay, so when you go out of this inlet right now, we know the water's good. You get just outside of the island north of us, which is North Captiva, maybe 75 yards off, and take a right.
Off the beach.
Off the beach. And then you can almost hug this beach, stay about 50, 75, 100 yards off the beach, and you can follow this right on up here to a little place that we call Charlie's Pass, and you'll see the difference. So there's trees, and then it becomes desolate, and then it becomes really small to there's like nothing there, and that's a great place to bring the boat. Throw your anchor, get a little bit close to the beach. Don't get too close to the beach. Throw your anchor out. Tie your anchor. Make sure it's secure. Make sure you have plenty of scope, and then you can slide off the back of the boat and walk into the beach. Okay. When you're finished with that, again, it's beautiful. You can pull your anchor up, continue going north, come in this inlet right here. This is Captiva Pass. Go straight out this inlet, hug it to the left a little bit, and come all the way out until you get into the intercoastal. How you know that you're in the intercoastal? You'll start seeing these markers again, okay? And the first marker you're going to see, you'll see on your right-hand side will be a red 50, or the next marker then is a red 52. And you follow this on up. We're going to Cabbage Key. You see Cabbage Key right here? Mm-hmm. You follow this up until, what's the best marker to go into Cabbage Key? Is it the red 60? Is that the best marker, guys?
Marker number 60.
Marker number 60. See, it says red 60. This is Cabbage Key. And you'll see a sign that says Cabbage Key, blah, 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 blah. Okay? You cannot go out of this inlet. You have to stay specifically right in this inlet and go on down there to the docks. There'll be the dock master will help you dock, see the boat. Okay? On your way back, you just hop on the intercoastal again, cruise all the way down here. See these markers, 1, 2, and 3? This is your identifying parts where we are. Okay? That's where we are is number 1. Number 2 was that number 2 marker putting you over to this channel. This number 3 is simply a reference for us. Okay? 1, 2, and 3 are your important markers. What that 3 is pointing at is red number 38. Saying that red number 38, you take a right, and that's going to bring you back home. 2. Okay? And bring you back to this number 2. There's also some good, here's a little helpful hints. When you're leaving our marina, look behind you. When you get up to the number 2, look behind you, because that's what you're going to be looking at when you come back. So if you're looking behind you, you're going to see identifiable marks. For example, all the way down here, you'll see a blue roof, which is Tween Waters, which is right down there. Okay. So when you're leaving, you get to number 2 and you take a left, you look behind you and you'll see this blue roof, and that will key you in when I'm coming back. Oh, I'm going to look for that blue roof, okay? Or I'm going to look for that antenna over here. You'll see an antenna over here, or these type of buildings here. So just pay attention to your surroundings, okay? A lot of times you're good following a boat. Do not follow a boat that's going real fast, that's low to the water, okay? Because he is a bay boat, and he can go flying in 6 inches of water. You can't, okay? So if you're going to follow a boat bigger than you, okay? Then when he runs aground, then you go, okay, I was following the wrong boat, okay? But don't follow those little fast boats, okay? This right here is a great trip for today. It's going to do everything you need. You want to go to the beach, have a picnic, go here, go up to Cabbage Key, check it out, grab a quick little appetizer. For our employees, we can show them other things like going to Barnacle Fills. We can show them going down Blind Pass, and you guys will do that in regular trading.